Worried about your Mastercard being linked to your Facebook account? Let's get that sorted in a flash. First, if you're on a computer, head over to the Facebook website and log in. Then, look for the small downward-facing arrow in the upper right-hand corner of your screen and click on it in the drop-down menu. Select Settings and Privacy, then click on Settings. On the left-hand sidebar, scroll down until you find Facebook Pay and click on it. This will take you to the Payment Settings page, which is where you will manage payment options. Here, you'll see all of your saved payment methods, including your Mastercard. Find the Mastercard you want to remove. Hover over the Mastercard, and you should see a or three dots icon somewhere nearby. Click on that. A drop-down menu will appear, giving you a few options. Click on Remove. Facebook will ask you to confirm that you want to remove the card. Click Remove again to confirm, and that's it. Your Mastercard is now removed from your Facebook account on the desktop. Now, if you're on your phone, open the Facebook app and tap on the three horizontal lines, which are usually in the bottom right-hand corner for iPhones and top right for Android. This opens the menu. Scroll down the menu until you see Settings and Privacy. Tap on it to expand the menu, and tap on Settings. Scroll down again until you find Facebook Pay and tap on it. In the Facebook Pay section, select the card you wish to remove and tap the greater than or the near the card's image. Finally, select Remove Card at the bottom of the pop-up and confirm your choice. When asked, that's it, your card has been removed. Keep your data safe. Remember to regularly review and update your payment information across all your social media accounts.